So hello everyone. Today we will starting a new mock test. So my last time ancient history or modern history complete crucia, and now aje my geography complete crew. So uh, we'll be doing a couple of question and we'll be doing together and let us assess both our preparation in the geography. So itu paper one la important topic aja before exam. Let's do some mock test. So let's get the video started. And this is Indian geography and general geography as well. So let's start. Kalguri, Kalgurli and Gulgurli, famous places famous for gold mines are located in. So itu kuti aja it is in gold mines aja it is in Australia. So Australia there itu important gold mines aja. Totoba National Park, known for sheltering tiger, panther, and bear, is located in. So it is Chardade, Kundu Chagadesa. So it is in Chandrapur, Maharashtra. Assam Ashikuliko, Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park ase, and Tamil Nadu Ashikuliko, Mandamalai National Park. Idon who next. In geography, who propounded the theory of convectional current hypothesis? So conventional current hypothesis though কোনবা প্রপন করছে so Arthur Holmes, Carl Ritter, Arnoldo Faustini or Immanuel Kant. So answer কি হবো? So the answer is Arthur Holmes. Apatini are the tribes found in. So this question was asked in NBSC 2015 also. So Apatani to kundu tribe te jugli to kundu state te jugli to it is in Arunachal Pradesh. And Nagaland Hishigluto, there are now 17 tribes. Genoa is leading seaport. So seaport to Genoa to kundu jaga desu. So Spain, Brazil, Italy or Canada. So the answer is Italy. Sorry, Italy. So India la seaport hishigluto. The largest seaport is the Jawaharlal Nehru National Seaport, that is in Mumbai. Next question. Wilwandra Lakes region, a UNESCO heritage site, is located in. So the answer is Australia. The headquarters of the International Astronomical Union is located in. Astronomical Union though একটা organization আছে itu astronomy or space আৰু এইটো সবতে ফোকাস কৰে and this is located in Paris, France. আৰু Paris, France they UNESCO la headquarters is. Next, with which country in the year 2010 India proposed to develop a solar city in India? So solar city do kono propose কৰিছে with Japan. So the answer is Japan. Next question. The largest river of all the west flowing rivers of the peninsular India is. The largest river of the west flowing river. So India saishugulito tala west side ten Narmada Tapti ituan huwa Periyar, and west flowing river shugulito Mahanadi idon huwa Kaveri etc. So the udu de सबसे largest ki ho. So Krishna ito Kaveri concept to west flowing river, east flowing river is kali Narmada tapti is itula mojude Narmada is the largest of the west flowing rivers. Umayam multipurpose power project. To Umayam multipurpose power project to Kodi located as Umayam. So the Umayam is located in Meghalaya. And Shillong is also known as the Scotland of the East. Next, the instrument which is used to measure the intensity of solar radiation. Solar radiation can measure kola ki ase. So barometer do. Is it barometer, energy meter, speedometer or solarimeter? So the answer is solarimeter, solar radiation. Any wind flowing down the slope of a mountain is called. So एक mountain slope ला नीचे देंगा blow करना जाओगे कि wind गए. So anabatic, katabatic, down flowing wind or slope wind. So the answer is katabatic. A katabatic wind, from the Greek word katabasis, means descending, is a technical name for a drainage wind that carries high density air from a higher elevation down a slope under the slope of gravity. So katabatic wind to upor ba niche ga jawe. So this type of wind is also called katabatic wind. The zone of low atmospheric pressure and ascending air located at or near the equator is also called what? So basically के जुगले तो मॉन अर्थ से जुगले तो इधो two parts they divide करने से by the equator. So ऊपर बा हवा और नीचे बा हवा के लोक पागे इधो zone की कोई. So ऊपर बा हवा और नीचे बा हवा के इधो के intertropical convergence zone कोई. Indian state known as the garden spice is known as what? Kerala. Kerala is also known as the garden spice of India because spice garden of India because many spices are available. Spices to kya turmeric, cardamom, ginger, or cloves, etc. So you don't get spices go. India is very famous for spices, and that is the reason why many Europeans have come to India in search of spices. Spices to kill very important as it khana hulibe kiki hulibe. Spices are very important because they add flavor to your food. And in 1498, Vasco da Gama came to India as the first European at Calicut in Kerala. Next, Rajiv Gandhi Environment Award is given for outstanding contribution to. So Rajiv Gandhi Environment Award to so health, tourism, agriculture, or contribution in the development of new technology. So the answer is contribution in the development of new technology. Selvis or selvas are dense tropical forests of the selvas to kundu country like South America, North America, South Africa, or Australia. So the answer is South America. Selvas ido tropical rain la alak nambi koi. Next, Mahe and Yunam are parts of which union territory? Mahe and Yunam. So Dadra Nagar Haveli, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, or Puducherry. So the answer is Puducherry, which became a part of the Indian territory in 1962 when the French surrendered to the Indian government. So India government gange French government was surrendered in 1962 the so Puducherry. Before it was called Pondicherry, now it's so called Puducherry. The most important breed of wool producing sheep in the world is so sheep सबसे important wool produce हो so it is merino. Next, India's first national marine national park is located. So India first marine national park to kute is so it is located where? Gulf of Kutch, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, or the Gulf of Khambat. So the answer is Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Kutch to idu Gujarat la also des. And first marine national park though udar is. Singrani coalfields are located in. So Singrani coalfields to kutezukulido. It is located in the Godavari Valley. So the answer is Godavari Valley. Godavari Valley is also known as the South Dakshin Ganga or the Ganga of the South. Next, seasonal movement of people and their herds from valley to mountain and vice versa. Mountain la upar ban jawa upar de or wo bas niche agi ki koi. So this process is also known as is it transgoing, transhumans, transcoming, or mountain? So the answer is transhumans. SAR is a famous field in. So SAR to ke juglo to idu ekta coal field ase. Next, the place or the city located at the convergence of the river Euphrates and Tigris is also known as Euphrates or Tigris. Duita rivers itu duita ke lok pa jaga ki koi. So it is also called Baghdad. For example, Allahabad to it is a convergence of river Ganga, Yamuna, and many other rivers are there where where a city is there where two rivers have joined. So Baghdad is the answer. Question number 24. Which of the rock formation is rich in fossil content? So fossil content though सबसे richest rock formation तो कुछ ऐसे बोले तो it is in the Gondwana rock formation. Gondwana rock formation though very rich in minerals as well, like coal, petroleum, etc. Gondwana is because here bishi fossil by, and also before it was a large forest to itado ido forest kando mativa cover gona, it led to the formation of important fossils as well as coals and petroleum. Next, Pochampat irrigation project lies in, so Pochampat to kutezukuledo it is in Godavari. Narmada and Tapti are also known as the twin sisters, and they flow between the Vindhyan and the Satpura range. Vindhyan or Satpura la middle de Narmada the flow gre, and Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri the sub west flowing rivers, and Godavari is also known as the South Ganga. Sandstone, conglomerate, limestone, shell, potash, loess, gracite, chalk, coal, chert, halite are examples of. So these are examples of sandstone, coal, they are all parts of sedimentary rock. And one important information is that fossils to sedimentary rock there are three types of rocks: sedimentary rock, igneous rock, and metamorphic rock. So sedimentary rock suppose ekta phatar ekta layer or to lower ekta phatar layer inga over the millions of years done layer jama ho jay, so it led to the formation of layers. So it is sedimentary rock. Igneous rock to kita high temperature idam de dan idu rock the formation. So aro kita idu temperature very high na idu base tela structure to change kore, so it is metamorphic rock. For example, sandstone kan aro idu limestone kan kita extreme heat dio tan change na marble ho jay, so these are also known as metamorphic rocks. So here the answer is sedimentary rocks, and fossils are found only in sedimentary rocks. Remember this. The second most important agro-based industry in India after textile is, after kapra the sugar industry. India is one of the second largest sugar producing in the world after Brazil. Aro India to beshi sugar de depend kore for their sweets, etc. Next, as per 2011 census, the state that registered lowest sex ratio सबसे lowest to kude it is in Haryana. And we also remember that Beti Bachao Beti Padhao to Haryana ba inaugurated by the Prime Minister Modi. Next, the industrial region of India which has predominance of metal industry. So metal industry to Kundu Jagate predominance usually it is in the Chotanagpur Plateau. Chotanagpur Plateau encompasses Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, etc., which are rich sources of iron, especially hematite, and also other metals like aluminium and coal, and a rich source of iron, mica, etc. Next, the mean thickness of oceanic crust. Ocean la crust to ocean or continental crust la thickness to 5 km, 15 km, 10 km and 30, 5 km and 30 km, or 18 km and 40 km. So the answer is 5 km and 30 km. Sorry. Tagar, Amlia, and Nepa Nagar are famous for. So these are all parts of the paper industry. And next, the radiant energy received from the earth and its atmosphere from the sun is also called. So sun ba earth la obode tai energy potai and itu heat kono surface of the earth heat kono oba chai so itu energy ke receive kora ki koi so answer is what is the answer insolation isotherm iso energy or albedo so the answer is what so the answer is insolation stands for inbound solar radiation or inward solar radiation so the energy received by the sun is also incoming solar radiation and its short term as insolation to sun ba heat ado do earth ke heat kono wobas chai so idu heat ke insolation bi koi next the layer of ocean water between the depth zone of 300 to 1000 meter characterized by sharp change in temperature so ocean la sabse niche portion de kidia taila temperature do thanda ne chai so idu ki koi so it is related to temperature so it will be thermocline next the modern iron and steel industry in India is beginning in 1870 when Bengal Iron Works was established so itu kudi established so modern iron and steel industry do kulti established in 1905 the first iron and steel industry was established by Tata Steel first next the planet that has the maximum number of satellites so this question is very debatable is it between Jupiter or Saturn so the answer is Saturn which planet is also known as the sister of Earth so Earth la sister to kun means Earth la alag twin to ke Mars Venus Mercury or Saturn so the answer is Venus is also called as the evening star the study of universe is also called as the is it astrology astronomy cosmology or universology so the answer is cosmology astronomy do study of celestial bodies like stars planets etc holibe universe ke study usually the cosmos the large natural ecosystem comprised of abiotic means kundu zinda na thake and biotic zinda thakala plants animals etc so edu ki ko edu ke biome go that means ekta jaga de where living or non living things ikalo thakala ke biome ke the highest glacial lake in India is located at a height of 17,745 feet or edu ki ko edu ke Devtal lake is the highest glacial lake and the highest battlefield is Saichen Glacier. Project Tiger, one of the premier conservation efforts in the country, was launched in Project Tiger. Though it is a project that is established by the government of India for the conservation of tiger. Or April 1, 1973, they established. Talia Dam, Kona Dam, Maithon, and Panjat Hill Dam has been constructed on the river. So Talia Dam, Kona Dam, Maithon Dam, do Kundu project is. So the answer is Damodar Valley project. So Damodar is also known as the Sorrow of Bengal, the Damodar River. Tungabhadra multi-purpose project is an undertaking of Tungabhadra do Kiki state. So it is Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Tungabhadra is on the river Krishna. Next. In 1900, India ratified the World Heritage Convention 1970 identifying four natural sites. So key is Kaziranga, Koladiu in Rajasthan, Sundarbans in West Bengal, and Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve in Uttarakhand. So it is all of this. A group of population of different species living in same habitat and interacting one another to alag species ekta jaga te milina tan interact korage eduke ecological community koi which is known as the Sorrow of Bengal. Sorrow of Bengal though it is known as the river Kosi. So we'll be doing up to question number 50. At present, biosphere reserves are located in the World Heritage Site. The biosphere reserve to ke joguleta ekta jaga reserve corner ke in such a way that itu udate thaka janwar konda humans pa threaten gurese so they are also known as the biological reserves and India the first bio reserve the Nilgiri Hills ase so here test site te kundo je Nilgiri be je Nanda Devi be je Nokrek be je in Meghalaya, Gulf of Mannar, Sundarban, Simlipal and Panchmarhi. So it is above all. Sandstone, conglomerate, limestone, shell, coal, chalk, etc. are example of. So I have already explained you they are examples of sedimentary rocks. Sir Latimer Colpin, the great climatologist of Austria, suggested in his new scheme of climate classification. So Latimer Colpin ba pangsta climate suggest kurse. So pangsta climate ki the tropical, dry, temperate, continental and polar. So pangsta climate to tai suggest kurse. The largest Indian mammal is mammal to ki to bacha ke bird te. So India the largest to elephant as a be world largest mammal the whale as a. So the last question for today is the Indian Council of Forest Research and Education was created in, so it is in 1987. So with this the geography has been completed mock test. So thank you all for watching and all the best for your exam.